Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2003 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2003 Kawasaki Vulcan Classic with 30,838 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with passing lamps, a windshield, mirrors, grips, reservoir covers, headlight and passing lamp visors, fork-mounted wind deflectors, front and rear fender rails, axle caps, an engine guard, an aftermarket horn, a brake pedal, rider floorboards, a tank pouch, a Cobra 2-to-1 exhaust, shifter pegs, a drag specialties tachometer, a Marlin's analog clock, a tank bib, and Mustang seats. Powered by a 1470cc V-twin engine, the Vulcan puts 64 horsepower and 82 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 4.2-gallon fuel capacity, the Vulcan has a 160 to 190-mile range. It has a 28.3-inch seat height and a 644-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the rocker box is seeping oil, and there is a front brake pulsation. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's corrosion on the highway bar, and a paint chip on the fuel tank. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or KAWASAKI, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.